Hello guys, how you doing? This is Ulrin Gaming from server 773, and today I'm gonna upgrade or activate Schuyler's exclusive weapon. So I have like shards for that, and I have Schuyler on 5 star also, but I just forget to like activate the weapon last 2 weeks. So we're gonna do this on hero training day today. As you can see, my
Think
Schuyler
first, act later.
has 5 stars on her, and we can like activate the weapon for her. So let's go.
Think first, act later.
So as she said, think first, we're gonna act later. No, now. So let's activate. You can see we need 50 Schuyler exclusive weapon shards to activate Schuyler's Magblade. Right, so we have already like Schuyler's sorry, those boxes of exclusive weapon choice chest, and you can see in here I have like 210. I have been stacking them for like activating the weapons for every possible hero who have exclusive weapons.
Think first,
So
act
just
later.
activate using the 50 hero exclusive weapon choice chest, and that's it. So we're gonna activate now. Let's activate. And 284k power is added to our base, and here you can see the weapon is now ready to use.
I see through the enemy's game plan.
Magblade Schuyler, you can see it's better now as we got exclusive weapon on her, and you can see hero HP has been increased from 29k 29k to 35k. Hero attack is increased from 849 to 1019. Hero defense is increased from 260 to 319. Resistance to all damage types is to 2% now. It's on level 1. You can see 32 million or some 2 million around power is now have in possession of Magblade Schuyler. So I can now like upgrade this from level 1 to level 20 to unlock Plasma Blast, then like troop type boost aircraft specialist for level 30 or 20 or 30, and on 30 we got EMP overdraw. Skylar guarantees to stun at least one enemy unit when casting her tactics for the first time. And in Plasma Blast, when Skylar's tactics fail to stun, it instead applies disruption to target for 9 seconds. And we already have like a disruptive beam. Skylar's auto attacks have a 20% chance to inflict on the target for 2 seconds. You can see here a demo. Nice. And Plasma Blast again, one more time. Okay, and the EMP overdrive is not given in here. So that's it. That's how the Magblade Schuyler looks like. You can see all around in here. And now we have exclusive weapon for Schuyler also. So she jumps from last position to now somewhat better,
Think
and
first,
now
act later.
she's like 3.2 million around power. And that's it guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more last walk content. Thank you.